Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6A and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the security section. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on more settings, which is at the very bottom of the list, and now tap on encryption and credentials. As you can see right here, we've got this delete all credentials, which is basically the option we're looking for. So let's simply tap on it and tap on delete. And for some reason, we do not have the information that we just successfully removed the credentials, but no worries. Just trust the process, and for sure the certificates has been removed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.